Hello everybody! Today we would like to demonstrate how you can recover deleted photos from your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, open the gallery, then go for the albums section at the bottom, scroll all the way down and find the recently deleted category of albums or whatever. As you can see, utilities to be exact. Then enter the passcode if you have any in order to access it, and from here choose what particular images or pictures you would like to recover. If it is like a single image, just tap and hold on it and tap on the recover option. If there are a few pictures that you would like to get back to your normal gallery, just tap on the select option, select what those photos, videos or images are, and then at the bottom right corner go for the recover option, confirm the recovery, and that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.